In this episode, we are going to talk about sourcing coffee. I get asked a lot at markets where we get our coffee from. Now, the whole process of how the coffee is harvested, processed, and shipped is extremely complicated, not to mention all the trade standards, fair trade, direct trade, how we pay farmers. Those things we'll discuss in other episodes. Most roasters, including us, work with highly skilled, highly experienced importers to take care of all of those rules, laws, operational issues and benefits, and tariffs. So we like to have three main sources of coffee. We have our go-to coffees that are around all year long. Those come from two different places, Peru and Guatemala. De la Gente is our Guatemalan importer, and they work with co-ops all around Guatemala. And Campesino Mateo, our good friend Mateo, works and lives with, actually, very small-scale farmers in Cusco, Peru, super remote parts of Peru. Our Peruvian and Guatemalan coffee are our staple coffees, and they're available all year round for our subscribers, for our market customers, as well as our online customers. We work with another importer here in Minneapolis called Cafe Imports. They're fantastic. They're much larger, but they allow us to source from all over the world in a more direct trade manner. Those coffees are going to be larger quantities for us, but from a variety of different origins. And that partnership allows us to roast coffee for various co-ops, cafes, as well as our online subscribers and market customers. Then we have a really interesting relationship with Genuine Origin. They're also a larger importer, but they do small quantity sales. So we're able to source small amounts of certain coffees for our subscribers and our market customers. We might only have a coffee from them for 2 weeks, maybe even 1 week, but it allows us to get a really big variety to fit within our 4 different flavor categories. So again, the 3 types of coffee we are sourcing fall into 3 different categories. Our sort of quick turnaround, high level of variety coffees. Our mainstays are Peruvian and Guatemalan super small importer relationships, and then our larger quantity all around the world coffees that we can provide for co-ops, cafes, and other different wholesale partnerships. So now you know the 4 different importers that we work with, and we're certainly not trying to hide those facts. We're very proud of those relationships and can't wait to continue to find others.